Hello viewers, welcome to Anu's Hobby Lobby. In this video, I'm going to share with you all crispy corn fried rice. So I'm going to share this crispy corn method using an air fryer, but you can very well do it on stove top method as well. So we'll use very less oil to make this. So in a bowl, we'll take 2 cups of corn kernels, which is boiled either in an instant pot or just boil it in hot water for 5 minutes and take it out. And then we'll add 1/4 cup of corn starch and 1/4 cup of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of maida or self-raising flour, and salt and black pepper powder as per your taste. Combine all together properly and in a strainer we'll sift everything so that the excess flour comes out, and take it into a bowl. Add more black pepper powder if needed, and also 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of oil, and then mix all together, and take a baking tray, add a parchment paper on top, and spread all the kernels evenly on the tray, and then we'll turn on air fryer. Turn on air fryer at 375 degree Fahrenheit and for 10 minutes. So like when we deep fry in the oil, we mix it well, right? So in the same lines, after half of the time, we'll be mixing once, and then after 10 minutes, we'll again turn on at 400 degree Fahrenheit now for another 2 to 3 minutes, and it's all done. So from this, we'll use only half cup for crispy corn fried rice. Rest we can use it as a snack. So if you have not checked my earlier video on crispy corn, please do click on the suggestion above. And let's get started on making crispy corn fried rice. So in a large wok, we'll take 2 tablespoons of oil, and into that, once the oil is hot, we'll add 2 tablespoons of onion and 2 green chilies, or as per your taste. For making any fried rice, a large space like a wok is really important, and it is well cooked or well flavored when it's on high heat. Once onions are slightly browned, we'll add a half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of carrots chopped, and a cup of all colored bell peppers like red capsicum and green capsicum I'm using. You can choose choice of your vegetables, and 2 tablespoons of French beans as well, and mix all together, and we'll add this half cup of corn kernels which is fried in the air fryer, and we'll combine everything together. So the heat should be high, and we'll add half teaspoon of salt here. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder or as per your taste, and mix it all together. Add half teaspoon of curry masala powder. This is a homemade curry masala powder, and if you haven't checked my video on this channel, please do click on the suggestion above. Add 1 cup of cooked basmati rice or regular rice, and then mix all together, and we'll add a teaspoon of soy sauce as well as vinegar, and mix it gently. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili garlic paste. Mix it well and garnish with spring onions. Serve it hot. Do let me know how it turned out to you in the comment section, and share it with everyone. If you like this video, please click on subscribe button and turn on notification bell, and thank you for watching.